Alrighty, folks. So I have a little something special for you today. After doing a video request for one of my subscribers, I thought, why not show a special display? Now, you guys have seen the display before and probably one of my other live streams I did. But today we're going to just focus on the display I brought out this morning. So yeah, guys, I'm still recovering. I'm getting better. But anyway, guys, we're going to be going down for the siren test today. Because now that I'm feeling up to it, we're going to try to get a couple different angles here. So we're going to have this angle here, which will be on the ground. And we're going to have the Kodak on the tripod. So we're going to have a 2-camera angle today. On the Kodak, we'll be doing the close-up recording. But anyway, we can actually see the rotor, inside the chopper inside the stator. But we're going to focus on that later. Anyway, guys, let's show you what we got here. So I brought it out into the sunshine here. Here is my 136RE. Here's my little 136RE rail display here. Underwent a complete restoration. So it's completely sanded down. I repainted it my favorite shade of blue. Because I thought it'd be nice, just put a little bit of color into my collection here. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and turn this to the side so you can see what's on it here. Anyway, I hope you guys can see that okay. So, anyway, here's some information here. Got some numbers and letters. So we got 136, which is 136 pounds per yard. And then RE, which is the American Railroading Engineering Association. So anyway, if you look at this rail, you think, how much does that weigh? 91 pounds. This rail is exactly 2 feet in length, and the weight is 91 pounds. So anyway, you guys saw the profile of the rail. There's absolutely very minimal use on this piece. Anyway, let's take a closer look. So if we take a closer look at the top here, you can see that I put a polished stripe on the top to make it look like a train had gone over it. So let me get you guys a different angle here. There you go. So I hope you guys can see that okay. Here's the stripe I put on top. But anyway, you guys can see this is a beautiful piece. 2-footer. A lot of people are like, "Oh, I should use that as an anvil." Well, no thanks. I don't use it as an anvil because this is a restoration display. So anyway, if I find smaller sizes that I find useless, then I'll use those as anvils, but not these beauties here. Anyway, there's nothing on the other side, no numbers or anything like that. So anyway, if you guys want me to do a video on how to decode the date on a rail, feel free to ask. Just feel free to ask me. You can comment down below. You can even ask me, do I have any rails with a full date code on it? And I do have one, so in case if you were wondering. Same size as this one, just a tad bit longer. Anyway, let's show you guys a little close-up here of the stripe that I put on. So yes, I sanded the stripe actually. So anyway, let's show you guys the profile here. 136 pounds per yard. So that's what it looks like. Anyway, while I'm at it, I'm going to show you guys another display I have here. Anyway, so here's my 1925 DL&W tie plate. Thought you guys would want to see that real quick. But anyway, if you guys want to learn more about this 2-footer right here, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask questions, give me feedback on, what you guys think of this display. So anyway, let's get you a look at the other side. Alright, so I'm just going to be funny here. Here's the dark side of the rail, right here. The sun's not hitting this part. So anyway, I got my hand there to kind of block some of the sunlight so you guys don't get that glare. But anyway, that's the other side. So if you guys want to learn more about this display right here, feel free to comment down below what you want to learn about it, and I will respond to you as soon as I can. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you for the siren test.